So I'm doing some scrapbooking and I'm just continuing on from my scrapbooking pages. I posted some stuff on TikTok and YouTube. And I did some things offline for making some stuff for my scrapbooking. But let's dive into some stuff here. All right, let me figure out where I was. There it is. All right, so what I did is I prepped some stuff offline. I prepped some of these, but I'm gonna make these now. All right. Okay, so this is F3, and we got to do our paper 9 by 6.5. Okay. So let's get our paper first. So we're gonna grab our paper first and cut that 9 by 6.5. All right, let's use this one. We're gonna go ahead and cut the paper 9 by 6.5. Okay, so we're going 9. By 6.5. Okay. Go. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. We're using the We Are Memories pocket punch board. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this paper in like this, like that maybe. All right, and then I'm just gonna put this in here with the blade on the outside. Okay. And then I flip it. Okay. All right, this is going to be my outside, so I'm going to go on the back. All right, and I'm just going to score here. All right, and then I'm going to score this down here. Okay. And then I'm going to turn it. All right, so then I move it this way, and I'm going to go ahead and score from the line here. And then bring it down a little bit and continue to score. And then what I'm going to do is close it up. Close this up. Okay, so now I'm going to glue this. And then I am going to make my little notch on the top. All right, and now we're going to punch. There. There's one.